for just a minute. Okay. Let me end it with Ofori Amponsah.
Okay.
Cinemas are politicians. No, I imagine say omo the app or bar we saw the TV banner. Me, I can say, Mr. Bright can say, let's not take our politicians too serious when it comes to creative arts. Because the Inter-Americans say, National Theatre, it was built somewhere around 1992 with a capacity of about 1,500. As we speak today, there has been no major renovation on National Theatre. Ghana, if any major artist, a musician, or person a big show in Ghana when you see sports stadium, African politicians, especially a side of the world, they are not too serious about creative arts.
Okay.
Last time me catch up say I went for this program, Diasa, Doom.
Yeah.
Backstage, the things they were doing backstage,
okay.
It kills the beauty of what they will come on that stage to do.
Yeah.
Because it already me
yes.
Into Ekeleno.
Yeah.
Makasio, Tamale, Otimi Bosho, over 40,000 attendants.
Yeah.
Oba Southern part has your star Kodie Stone Boy shows on Bebunya just on bonus sports stadium because Bibia anywhere on Bitmakobo those shows. It is say Stone Boy Koboni show sports stadium, a catcher and say, or more Eddie motorbike, I best say field no. What I'm saying is that I mean take care politicians not too serious. Or more year campaign. And try on be to try as usual. Or more bar. All these things they are saying will be a fallacy.
Yeah.
Silverbed Cinema or Accra Mall, West Hills Mall.
Yeah.
Has there been the government's interest to do anything about Silverbed?
No.
Kwame Nkrumah and Ajuni said the oral tradition, Anansi story, or pursue pajem, SCC so many cinemas, Kanda Okoha, Kwame Nkrumah started cinemas for her. As we speak now, which political party and I Ajuni say the one crowd could renovate her. Ama ya start ya shows, I call her movies or those places. Bibia any hosa. And the enjoy politicians na sem no. They are usually playing with us. And these are one of them. Fees mami fa endiwaha. Ofori Amponsah. Onyane flowers in Ghana. Artists or started somewhere in 1999, even 2020 or release multi-million or release her album no. Onyane flowers. 2005 to 2010. No for Amponsah or group be from the camp.
Okay.
Fees the records at the camp no. We that the Lumba. We the lives of Kojoen Chumufriwa. I tell you, say the camp or Mushos or Maboni, Ebinsi Ghana has said that. Kofi Nti, KK Fosu, Baroski, Sam Crawford, they were supporting Ofori Amponsah to release hit upon hit.
Yes.
Ofori Amponsah will record somewhere in 2006. Onya over 7 awards in just one award night. Or any artist of the year, songwriter of the year, most popular song of the year, album of the year, high life artist of the year, high life song of the year. This is someone that okay say you're underrating Ghana music. Me je ni pain tum. Nipa obi ti Mrs. me kwa kwaye sofo e wo hodom. Fees ebi okoye no anye yi. Ofori Amponsah be kirem di nti okoye sofo. We say unya broken heart. En wo tefa hodom fees. Inti ade ata happen. Inti mumye mo Ofori Amponsah ne flowers 14 albums to his credit. Enye record ketwa. Fees mami find